This is the new topic, using measuring instruments with higher accuracy. Vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge are the instruments with higher accuracy. Compare to the meter rule. Meter rule have smallest division of 0.1 cm in measurement scale. Therefore, its accuracy is 0.1 cm, or 1 mm. Vernier caliper has an accuracy of 0.01 cm, or 0.1 mm. This is its smallest division in measurement scale. Micrometer screw gauge has an accuracy of 0.001 cm, or 0.01 mm. This is its smallest division in measurement scale. Now, let's further discuss the use of vernier caliper. Vernier calipers are the measurement instruments used to measure short length, especially the internal and external diameter, and the depth of objects. Vernier calipers consists of two scales. The first scale is the main scale, which have the smallest measurement division of 0.1 cm, or 1 mm. The second scale is vernier scale, which has the smallest measurement division of 0.01 cm, or 0.1 mm. The 0.1 mm, this size, is as small as a hair cross-section diameter. The following are the procedure to use vernier caliper in measurement. The first step is, place the object to be measured between the outside jaws, and then slide the jaws against the object, until the jaws grip the object. The second step is, obtain the reading from the main scale. This is by reading the main scale, where it lines up with the 0 mark of the vernier. The example shows that, this is in between 2.8 and 2.9 cm. And we take the minimum value, it is 2.8 cm. The third step, obtain the reading from vernier scale. This is by reading the first mark, that lines up perfectly with any line on the main scale. At this example, it is 0.045 cm. The final step is obtain the final reading, by adding up the readings of the main scale and vernier scale. This is 2.8 cm add with 0.045 cm, and it is equal to 2.845 cm. The following are about the zero error in vernier calipers. About the definition, zero error is defined as the error that occurs when the measuring instrument doesn't show 0 before taking the measurement. The 0 mark at main scale and vernier scale not be line up in one line when the jaws is closed. Zero error in vernier calipers can be checked by closing the jaws without any object in between and check the reading. There are three kinds of zero error. The first is no zero error. The second is positive zero error. The third is negative zero error. For the vernier caliper without zero error, the 0 mark of the vernier scale is perfectly aligned with the 0 mark of the main scale. For positive zero error, the 0 mark of the vernier scale is on the right side of 0 mark of the main scale. The value of the positive zero error will be the first mark that lines up perfectly with any line on the main scale. For negative zero error, mark of the vernier scale is on the left side of 0 mark of the main scale. The first mark that lines up perfectly with any line on the main scale will be the negative zero error. If the vernier caliper is with zero error, the actual reading will be reading of the vernier caliper, minus with zero error. Micrometer screw gauge is another measuring instruments with higher accuracy for our discussion. Micrometer screw gauge is used to measure the thickness and diameter of small objects, such as paper, hair, wire, and metal sheet. Micrometer screw gauge consists of two scales. The first scale is the main scale, it have the smallest measurement division of 0.05 cm, or 0.5 mm. The second scale is the vernier scale, it has the smallest measurement division of 0.00 centimeters, or 0.01 millimeters. The following are the procedure to use micrometer screw gauge. Place the object to be measured between the anvil and spindle end, and rotate the thimble until the object is firmly held between the anvil and spindle, and rotate the thimble until the object is firmly held between the anvil and spindle. Then, rotate the ratchet until a click sound is heard. Obtain the reading from the main scale. Read the main scale at the edge of thimble. Obtain the reading from the vernier scale. Read the mark on the vernier scale on the thimble that aligns with datum line on the main scale. To obtain the final reading, adding up the readings of the main scale and vernier scale. This is about the zero error in micrometer screw gauge. The zero error is defined as the occurs when the measuring instrument doesn't show zero before taking the measurement. The zero error in micrometer screw gauge can be checked by closing the spindler to anvil without any object in between, and check the reading. There are three kinds of zero error. The first is no zero error. The second is positive zero error. The third is negative zero error. For no zero error, the zero mark of the vernier scale on the thimble is perfectly aligned with the datum line of the main scale. For positive zero error, the zero mark of the vernier scale on the thimble is below the datum line of the main scale. For negative zero error, the zero mark of the vernier scale on the thimble is above the datum line of the main scale. If the micrometer screw gauge is with the zero error, the actual reading of the micrometer screw gauge, minus with zero error. This topic is using electronic measuring instruments with higher accuracy. Various electronic measuring instruments have been invented for better accuracy, precision, and sensitivity measurement tool, and able to display the measured value directly in the numerical form on the screen. The following are the examples of the electronic measuring instrument: digital vernier calipers, digital thermometer, electronic balance, digital stopwatch, digital ammeter.